Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing CURLS' new line called the Poppin Pineapple collection. So if you are interested to see what these products are about, then all you have to do is just keep watching. Okay, so the products that I'm going to be reviewing for you today are the So Clean Vitamin C Curl Wash. This is that right there. And I'm going to be reviewing the So Moist Vitamin C Curl Mask. And the Leave-In Conditioner. And last but not least, the Curl Defining Jelly. Okay, so the first product I'm going to be reviewing for you is the So Clean Vitamin C Curl Wash. And these products are formulated with vitamin A, B1, B6, C for shiny, longer, thick, and healthy curls. It enhances your hair growth, increases sebum production, and decreases hair loss. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this rubber band out of my hair so I can go ahead and wash my hair. And let's see what these products are talking about. So I know my hair looks a super duper hot mess, but I'm about to take care of that right now. And I feel that this shampoo is more of like a gentle cleanse shampoo. When I first applied the shampoo to my hair, it did not immediately lather, but I just thought maybe that was from, you know, the amount of product that I had on my hair. But when I washed it a second time, it still felt the same way, like I wasn't getting like a really good lather. I mean, it did lather some, but not like a real sudsy type lather. I was able to, you know, run my fingers through my hair while I had the shampoo in my hair. And when I rinsed it out, my hair did feel like it was cleansed and definitely not stripped at all. So I will say that this shampoo is a decent shampoo. I mean, it will get the job done, especially if you're looking for something to gently cleanse your hair. I think this would work perfectly for you. As far as the scent goes, the scent is really, really strong and pineapple-y. It smells good to me, but if you're not really into like super duper strong fruity scents, then you may not like it. And this is what my hair is looking like after me shampooing my hair. So my hair feels cleansed. It's not like super duper, you know, soft or anything. It does feel cleansed, like, you know, I did just shampoo my hair, so that's a good thing. So the next product I'm going to use out of this line is the Curl Mask. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair in sections and apply this mask. And hopefully it has enough slip for me to detangle my hair. Go ahead and put it in my hand. And as you can see, it is thick. Has the same scent as the Curl Wash. It is definitely tropical, and this is very thick and creamy. Alright, so feel like I need to wet my hair some more, y'all. Okay, so I re-wet my hair, so I'm going to go in and apply more of this mask. And as I'm putting it on my hair, like, it really doesn't feel like it is penetrating through my hair. But I'm just gonna try to work it in some more to see. So far, y'all, I am not impressed. I'm steady trying to work it in, and I'm just not feeling it, y'all. I'm not feeling the mask. Like, you really, really have to work through this mask to get it through your hair, and to be able to get it to where you can get your fingers through it. So I'm thinking with this mask, like, your hair has to be like drenched with water, because if not, you're going to use a lot of product to get it to saturate your hair and be able to work it through. So when I do the other sections with it, I'm going to do it on like soaking wet hair to see if that will make the detangling process faster and better. But as of right now, no. So it's finally like worked in, but I'm still not able to go completely through this section with my fingers without getting stopped by a tangle. But I will say it's starting to get better than before, because in the beginning, y'all, I was a little worried. Let me get my brush. All right, okay, that's a little bit better. A little bit better. Y'all, I was about to throw the whole thing away. I was like, no ma'am. Phew, had me worried, curls. It's not, it's not called a Poppin Pineapple collection for nothing. It's gonna pop your hair right off. Oh man. Okay, so it's getting much better, y'all. Okay, so I got my water bottle here, and I put hot water in it, and I'm just going to spray this section and make sure it's like super duper drenched to make sure that I won't have the trouble that I did on that first section, because that one just scared me. All right. Let's go in and make sure I'm using the right one. All right, mask again. Now let's see. Much better, much better. All right, so y'all, that first section was user error, because my hair was not wet enough. So first tip about using the mask, make sure your hair is soaking wet, because this is going on much better. Much better. So I'm done applying the mask to this section back here, and apparently you really don't need a lot of this mask in the beginning, especially if your hair is soaking wet, because do y'all see how much I have on my hand and on my arm? So yeah, I'm gonna try to kind of tone it down a little bit on the other section. Okay, so I'm done applying the mask to my hair, and the directions say to allow to penetrate for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse and style with the So Smooth leave-in conditioner and So Depth curl defining jelly. And I will also say that the directions say to apply this mask to wet hair after cleansing with the curl wash. So that is definitely true. Please make sure your hair is super wet before applying this mask to your hair. So I'm just gonna let this mask sit in my hair for about maybe 5 more minutes, and then I'll rinse it out and I'll come back and show you guys what my hair looks like after rinsing it out. Alright, so I'm done rinsing the mask out of my hair, so let's just see what my hair is looking and feeling like after rinsing it out. I will say that my hair feels smooth and soft, surprisingly. I wasn't sure how it was going to be since I had, you know, such a hard time applying it the first time. So I think it did, you know, a decent job. I do have some curl definition. It's okay, it's not bad at all. Would I say it was my favorite hair mask? No, I wouldn't say all that, but it's decent. All right, so I'm going to go in next with the leave-in conditioner. It says to apply the So Smooth Vitamin C leave-in conditioner to freshly cleansed hair before applying the curl defining jelly or on dry hair to refresh curls. It's great for roller, rod, and twist out sets. So to me, it seems like you can also use this leave-in conditioner alone as a styler. Interesting. All right, so I'm just going to section my hair off first, and I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner and then with the curl defining jelly. I'm going to be doing a wash and go. Okay, so first I'm going in with the leave-in conditioner. This is the consistency. Kind of almost reminds me of the hair mask consistency, but it's slightly thinner. And this smells exactly like the shampoo and the mask. Very pineapple-y. All right, so I'm going to go in with this leave-in on my hair. Okay. Got some good slip going on. Is definitely clumping my curls. All right now. All right. Okay. Just gonna work that through. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the So Def Vitamin C Curl Defining Jelly. And the directions say to apply this curl defining jelly to wet, freshly cleansed and conditioned curls. And it also says to apply as a touch up to hair as needed to smooth your hair and edges. So this is what the curl defining jelly looks like. And I'm just gonna pop the top. This is what it looks like. Okay. It's like a smooth consistency, not really sticky or tacky or anything. And it kind of really does remind me of jelly. See that consistency there? Smells the same. All right, so I'm going, ooh, look at the slip. Look at the slip. Okay, I know y'all see that. So I am really liking the way that this jelly is applying to my hair so far. Going to get some more and apply it on this side here. Okay, so these are the sections so far. And the thing about this jelly is, like, once you put it on your hair, it feels like it's really, really light, and you're not really sure like if you should apply some more or if you have enough on it. Okay, so I'm just going to continue on with the rest of my sections, and I'll definitely come back and let you guys see my wet results, so just stay tuned. Okay, so I am done applying the leave-in conditioner and the curling jelly to my hair. So of course we're going to see how these two products work well on my hair once it dries. So I'm just gonna do a little 360 for you, and I'll be back once my hair has dried completely to show you guys my results. So just stay tuned. Okay, so it is the next day and I'm going to go ahead and take this bonnet off of my hair to see what my results look like. Alrighty, so my hair looks really good despite the shrunkenness. My curls are super duper defined, and I really do like the way this curling jelly and leave-in did my curls. Okay, so as you can see, like, the curl definition is there. My hair looks really moisturized, and look at the curl definition. And tonight I'll probably sleep with my hair like in a pineapple or something, or band my hair to kind of stretch it out a little bit because, you know, shrinkage is real. So overall, like, my thoughts about this whole product line, it is a really good line. I think my ultimate favorite is the curl defining jelly. That would be the #1 pick for me. Then next would be the leave-in conditioner here. And I can see why it says that you can use this for roller, rod, and especially twist out sets, because when I was just applying the leave-in conditioner alone to my hair, like, it really made my curls look really defined, shiny, and moisturized. So I can really see, like, this leave-in being a staple of mine. Then my next favorite would have to be the curl mask. I mean, y'all saw my little issues that I had before. Once I got my hair soaking wet and was able to work the product in, like, it was really like curl defining, and I was able to detangle my hair. And then lastly, of course, the curl wash. Like, I will definitely use it until it's gone. Would I repurchase? Maybe not, because, you know, I have, you know, other gentle shampoos that I could use. And I will say that the smell does linger. I still smell the pineapple in my hair, but to me it doesn't smell bad at all, and it's not like overpowering, but it does smell good. So I mean, you know, keep that in mind as well when you decide to try these products. Well, when and if you decide to try these products. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried these products before and if they work for you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.